I don't think there's one there. Whoa, hang on. It's clearly picking them up. Look at the background there. It's picking up these windows exist. It's just not drawing them. Whereas we are not picking up they exist. We're not having the drawing problem. Let's go back. So pretty early, we have both windows there. Okay, we have both windows. Okay, so, all right, that looked like one window. That's one window there. All right, and then somewhere in between those two, we got a second window. Mm-hmm, okay. Do I do anything? I change that to 0, 0. That would make a difference. Yeah. But haven't I already changed it to min x, min y? Yeah, and the reason that'll make a difference is because instead of getting like a match error here, we actually fall through to this line of code with the warn x. Because if we supply, like, basically if the rectangle we give, how do I say this? If you don't put 0, 0 here, you're essentially asking for a much bigger rectangle because these coordinates are relative to the actual window itself. They're not relative to the parent. These ones are relative to the window itself. So you can get a subregion of the window by putting different coordinates here. But if you want the whole window, you go from 0, 0. Um, but basically, if you make these too big, in fact, if you make them anything, because geon width and geon height is how big the window is. So if you make these anything other than 0, or anything positive, I guess, in fact, probably anything other than 0, and you have geom width and geom height here, your resulting rectangle is going to be too big. So you'll get a match error here and will return. Yeah, whereas here now we're having multiple windows because we changed those coordinates. Okay. So is that what we're doing wrong? I don't think so. I just don't think that's the problem. Ah. Okay, it's one of the problems. This looks like we're not managing memory correctly. So if j is 1, if j is 0 and we're trying to delete 0, we want to get 1. And we want to put it in the 0 slot. And then get 2 and put it in the 1 slot. This looks fine. And then we reduce the number of windows we have. So clearly this is wrong. And these are all ints. These are ints as well. So we want the max of 0 and negative geomax. This is the minimum max. Q. Excuse me? So sometimes it doesn't return anything. Okay. Let's say so that's -1. That's +1. That's 0. -1 is gone instantly. That's what I would call extremely annoying. And you can see there are some frames where it disappears. So the geom doesn't include the border. I don't exactly know what it means. The specified rectangle of the window would be fully visible. It sure would be. I wonder why that happens. Hmm. Interesting. It feels like it's more likely to happen when it's on the edge of one of the inside windows. But that's hard to like, so this is the actual window. And I think it's fine. But if we go to the yeah, if we go to one of the what was that? Oh, right. That's fine. So this is the window itself. But if we go to the sub window, yeah. Yeah. Okay, what if we go to the end of this one? Yeah. But if we stick in the middle, we stick in the oh. Oh, well, okay. I mean, this is sub windows forever, so it's a little hard to know. What if we go out here? Okay. Now what if we go here? Well, okay, we won't be able to see it, unfortunately. But if we go here, so this is the... No, went too far. So this is the window itself. Fuck, I went too far. Yeah, but then if we go to the next one, yeah. Yeah. Let's go there, yeah. Yeah. Yep. This... Okay, so if we go the actual window, we're fine. Oh, are we? I wonder, you know what I wonder? Because this is like recursive window, I kind of wonder if it's just X struggling to render it. Like it disappears because it disappears. What happens if we do this? I need to make this easy to see. What's a bright program? I have no idea. That'll do. Yeah, so this window is fine. Does it disappear? It does. It disappears. Wait, only that way? Oh. Oh, no. Right. Yeah. No. It disappears. Yeah, so this window is fine. It doesn't look like it disappears at any point. Oh.